Hey guys, sorry I'm a little late. I've had some tech issues this morning. My internet's just not cooperating super well. But today I want to talk to you guys about how to make gratitude fun. I know it can feel like drudgery. You can maybe feel like it's a chore when you have to go around the table on Thanksgiving and everyone just shares one thing they're thankful for. And it sounds really repetitive, really kind of forced and obligatory. Everyone says they're thankful for their friends, their family, and their health. And then it moves on to the next person. And it just doesn't feel like your heart's really in it. It doesn't feel like something that you're really engaged in or really invested in or something like you really want to participate in. So how about we flip the switch on that? How about we actually make gratitude fun? So how do we do that? Well, there are a few ways. We can make it a game. You can go around, you can challenge people to think of something that someone else hasn't said, or to think of something that's a bit more unconventional, or think about something that you have been grateful for this week, or something that is different from last year, like a new thing or something that changed. You can put different parameters on it. You can decide that you need to think of something that you're grateful for that starts with the letter that your name starts with, or starts with the first letter of the alphabet, and you keep going around the table and each person has to think of something that starts with the next letter. So like the first person thinks of something that starts with A, you're grateful for apples, and the next person has to come up with something that starts with B, you're thankful for birch trees. Like, just make it fun, turn it into a game. And then if you're not into the game thing, or if you want to go beyond the game thing, you can challenge yourself. Create some sort of challenge to think of something that is different from the things that you normally give thanks for, to think of more things that you're thankful for. Set a number, think ambitiously, think outside the box, challenge yourself to think of more things that you're grateful for, and to be really specific, to write them down, and to maybe think of one thing for every day or 3 things for every day. So challenge yourself. And then a third idea is to share that gratitude. One way you can do that is joining my thankfulness challenge over on Instagram. I'm sharing my daily 3 every day on my Instagram stories. So it's 3 things I'm thankful for each day. And as long as my memory cooperates, I'm trying to not duplicate any of the things that I'm sharing. And it's just a great way to challenge myself to think of more things that I'm thankful for, to be really specific for the things I'm thankful for, to think outside the box a little bit so that it's not just my health and my home and food and work, but to get super specific about everything that I'm thankful for, to count my blessings and just acknowledge the abundance of them. So those are my ideas for you. Make it into a game. I think I'm gonna do that. That sounds like so much fun. Challenge yourself to think of more things and think outside the box, and then share your gratitude. Share it on social media. Just post something about one thing you're thankful for, or share with a friend. Start a conversation about what you're grateful for, or join my thankfulness challenge over on my Instagram account. I'm at JessiePierce019, and you can check out my Instagram stories where I'm sharing my daily 3 every day. I hope that helps you guys make your gratitude fun so you can enjoy this season, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful Thanksgiving and a great weekend, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Okay, bye.